Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Huikus.com. So Huikus.com is basically an online platform, and once I try to open it up, I have given a major red flag. As you can see from my default Chrome browser, it has given me a warning that this is a suspected phishing attack. So once I try to open it up after the attack as well, you can see like turnstile token missing. So this is a major red flag, and I cannot even risk my computer opening this website. Apart from this, the scam advisor website has given just a 1 out of 100 trust score. So this is a worst possible score, which is based on 40 different elements. And once I try to search for the reviews on another website, as you can see, this platform is also claiming that this platform is completely a scam and you should avoid opening it up. The domain is connected to a suspicious ad networks that frequently show intrusive pop-ups and fake promotion. So in conclusion, I would say this platform is completely a scam and you should avoid opening it up, because it was also registered recently according to the whois.com. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.